Do you find yourself making hurtful jokes at people? Do you find yourself nicknaming people, calling them big mouth, big teeth, big face, big nose? Do you steal people's snacks, play hurtful pranks at them? You find joy hurting people. There's a term used to describe people with this kind of behavior. Do you want to find out? Do you want to know what it's called? Do you? I'm sure you want. I'm sure you do. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Adoma, and today I will be discussing a very important topic. I really didn't give thought to this topic before now until last week. Last week, my alma mater celebrated her 38th year anniversary, and some of my old school classmates went on social media and recounted their experiences while in high school. Some were pleasant and some were horrible. And, going through the posts and the comments, it dawned on me that this particular thing has been thriving for a very long time. It's not a new thing. People hurting others without giving a second thought to it. And I think this is the best time to discuss it, especially as we are in a new year, right? Did you think so? And so one of the comments was one who said that she remember walking in school on the corridor and a senior student planted a slap on her face. She was shocked because she didn't know what she did, and till today, she really didn't know what she did to deserve that slap. And it was a traumatic experience for her, especially that she was a quiet student at that time, not wanting to look for trouble, not wanting to hurt anyone. And so it was surprising that someone out of the blue would just plant a slap on her face. And for me, I thought back and I remembered, I had some unpleasant experiences too. I was in a boarding school, and I remember one time as a class we were punished by some seniors, and the punishment lasted deep into the night. We're on the corridor kneeling on our feet. That's a feet. Kneel on concrete floor, and we're torn into meal for mosquitoes. The mosquitoes fed on us. But we couldn't do anything. We allowed them because even a sound from the slap of cleaning mosquito will increase the number of hours of the punishment. And so I look back and I remember how terrible that night was. It's not a palatable experience. And so today I'll be talking about a topic called bullying. Yeah, bullying. And for many, bullying, it's a normal thing. People get bullied. No, bullying is not a normal thing. It's not an easy rite of passage. It has an adverse effect on people even until their adulthood. So bullying is not something that should be considered normal. It is not. It is a negative behavior. And so for us to understand this topic, let's look at bullying and conflicts. Conflict is a disagreement between two people with, varying opinions. You do not agree on a particular thing, but then it is constructive. You don't hurt the other person while you are, while you're in a conflict. It's not, you're not trying to oppress the other person. Whereas for bullying is an oppression when one party tends to override the other party. It's like an abuse of power. Okay. Bullying is when someone tries to have the upper hand, tries to have power or control over the other person. Conflict is part of our everyday life. We disagree, siblings disagree, parents and children disagree, friends disagree. But for bullying involves an imbalance of power. Anyone can be bullied, and anyone can be a bully. And that's what we want to talk about today. What are the signs to show that you are a bully? Bullying is a targeted behavior. It's not a one-off thing. It's a targeted behavior. Someone is looking out to make you feel less than yourself. Someone is looking out to undermine you. And someone is looking out to, to kind of ride over you. It is a targeted behavior. It is not like a reaction of someone to something you did to them. Maybe you stepped on my toe or I just pushed you. Not bullying. That's not bullying. Bullying is a targeted behavior. It's incessant. You continue doing it. I didn't offend you. I didn't do anything to hurt you, but you just target me. You just want to make me feel bad. You say hurtful things to me. You say mean things to me. You do mean things to me. That act, that behavior is a bullying behavior. Now, the bullying can happen in several ways. It could be physical, and this one is seen by everyone. Is the easiest form of bullying to recognize. It could be in form of punches, in form of fights, kicks, bites. It's physical. People get to see it, and the intent is to hurt, is to inflict pain on the other person. The intent is to take advantage of the other person. Abuse could be verbal. This one is quick and noticed by others. It could be teasing. It could be name calling, gossip, spreading of rumors, saying things you didn't do. It could be mean jokes, hurtful jokes, teasing, just to undermine the other person and make the other person feel less. Bullying is never okay. It is never okay to bully the other person. Also be unwanted criticism, looking for using the toothpick to look for flaws in other people. Unwanted criticism. That is also a form of verbal abuse. Emotional bullying is another form. This one is not noticed by others, but the other person feels bad, feels sad about him or herself when the victim gets to see the abusers. Their heart start palpitating. They have this panic and anxiety. Emotional bullying. And bullying can also be cyber, posting of pictures, pictures that are supposed to be private, or posting of things that this person told you in secret. To post it on social media. Anything done on social media to hurt, to undermine the other person is cyberbullying. And many people are involved in this cyberbullying and they do not know. When you go on people's comments and you say mean things to them, not once, not twice, not more than 3 times, it's cyberbullying. Yes. When you say hurtful things on people's posts, they will go to comment and, things that makes the person feel so bad and regretted ever making that post or making that comment. You are a cyberbully. Are you a bully? Do you say hurtful things to people? Do you write hurtful things on social media? Do you punch people and try to make people feel bad? If you do, look for a way out and seek help. And an adverse effect of bullying is that it affects the self-esteem of the victim. You see, bullying is never a good thing. And there are certain signs to show that you're being bullied. When someone, like I've mentioned before, when someone is always punching you, always biting you, it's a sign that you're being bullied. When people tease you, they tear you down in a group and everybody laughs at you, it's a sign that you're being bullied. When people try to undermine your capacity and your ability, it shows that you are being bullied. Tries to always get you in trouble with the teacher, with even your parents, with the people around you, always trying to get you into trouble. That's a sign that you're being bullied. Have panic attack, or maybe you wake up in the morning on a Monday morning and you have panic attack, anxiety that you're going to school or you're going to see this person, or you're going to work. For adults who are going to be watching this, so you're going to work to see this person and you start having panic attacks, it's a sign that you're being bullied. It's a sign that Whoever you're visualizing is a bully. When you were excluded from a group of people, you're segregated at you're discriminated at. I mentioned that before. It's a sign that you are being bullied. So, are you a bully? Do you enjoy making fun of people? Or do you find yourself being teased, being punched? It's a sign that you're being bullied. Which of the spectrum do you fall in? A bully, being bullied? You can seek help from a trusted counselor or a youth worker around you. Do not keep quiet. Do not die in silence if you're being bullied. Seek for the appropriate help. Did you find value from this video? If you did, I'd like to hear in the comment section. What are the things you want me to talk about? Please write them also in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way next video, live intentional. Bye for now.